So here's how to set up shipping on Shopify. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your account section, and now here you have to scroll to the bottom and then click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, now it will take you to this interface. Here you have to click on the shipping and delivery option, and once you click on it, now it will open this page. Then here first you have to select your shipping rates. To set your shipping rate, scroll to the bottom and come to this option and then click on the add rate option. Once you click on the add rate, now it will open this interface. Now here you have to select your rate name and then select your price and then click on the done option at the bottom. If you are also shipping internationally, now you have to also select the rates for the international shipment. First select your shipping type and then select your price and then click on the done. You have to click on the save setting option at the bottom to save this setting. After that, here you also have to set the processing time for your order. For this, click on processing time. Now at this interface, go to your processing time option and then select the business days in which you will deliver the parcel. Now to save these settings, click on the save option at the top. Moving on, we have the local delivery, and here we can set up the local delivery. Set your local delivery, click on this icon and now it will open this page. Here you have to enter your postal code and minimum order price and delivery price. Here you can also add your delivery information. Now the next option that we have is the local pickup. If you have a local pickup option available for your store, you have to select it. Now here you have to select your pickup time and after that click on the save button. Now we have this add packages option, and this is very important for the delivery. Here you have to name your package and select the package type and then select the dimensions of your package. Here you also have to enter the weight and then click on the add package option to save the details. Moving on, we have packaging slips. Here you will see this coding and you will think it will be very difficult for you. You don't need to do anything here. You have to just add your order title here in front of the title option. Click on the preview template and it will give you this slip. You have to take the printout of this slip and you have to label it on your package. If you are using any third-party courier services, you have to add their details as well. So this was how to add shipping on your Shopify store.